Recently, a discovery has captivated scientists and space enthusiasts around the world. Bill Nye made headlines when he announced that Voyager 1 had detected mysterious massive objects deep in space. The revelation ignited curiosity everywhere. What exactly are these objects? Where did they come from? And what could they mean for humanity's understanding of the universe? To understand the significance of this discovery, we need to go back nearly 50 years to the beginning of the Voyager missions. In the 1970s, scientist Michael Minovich proposed a revolutionary idea. A spacecraft could use a planet's gravity and motion to slingshot itself farther into space. This technique, known as gravitational assist, made it possible to explore the outer planets in ways never attempted before. Launched in 1977 just weeks apart, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 were originally designed to last only 5 years. Their mission was simple: explore Jupiter and Saturn. But the spacecraft achieved far more than anyone imagined. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 revealed stunning details about the giant planets. Jupiter turned out to be a world of violent storms, glowing auroras, and hidden rings. Saturn's rings were far more complex than scientists expected, containing thousands of delicate structures and braided patterns. Voyager 2 continued its journey farther into the solar system, becoming the first spacecraft to visit Uranus in 1986 and Neptune in 1989. These flybys completed what became known as the Grand Tour of the outer planets. Instead of shutting down after their planetary missions ended, both spacecraft continued traveling outward toward the edge of the solar system. Decades later, they are still operating. In 2012, Voyager 1 officially entered interstellar space, crossing beyond the heliopause, the invisible boundary where the Sun's influence ends and the vast ocean of interstellar space begins. Voyager 2 followed in 2018. Even today, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 remain the only spacecraft ever to enter interstellar space. Their discoveries completely transformed our understanding of the heliosphere, the giant protective bubble created by the solar wind. This bubble shields our solar system from dangerous cosmic radiation coming from the galaxy beyond. Once Voyager crossed the heliopause, scientists noticed something remarkable. Cosmic rays outside the heliosphere were nearly 3 times stronger than inside it. It was like stepping out of a quiet neighborhood and into a storm of energetic particles. Then came another astonishing discovery. In 2023, Voyager 1 detected a faint humming sound coming from interstellar space. Scientists later explained that this hum was caused by tiny vibrations in sparse interstellar gas drifting between the stars. Even billions of miles away, space was not completely silent. NASA scientists combined Voyager data with information from newer missions to build a clearer picture of how our Sun interacts with the galaxy around it. But many mysteries remain unsolved. One of the biggest mysteries involves the heliopause itself. Scientists once believed this boundary was stable and smooth. Instead, Voyager and NASA's IBEX mission revealed that the heliopause constantly shifts and changes shape. Researchers observed strange brightenings of energetic particles and unexpected movements along the solar boundary. These discoveries challenged long-standing scientific models and sparked debate among astronomers. Some scientists believe these shifts may explain why Voyager 1 crossed into interstellar space years before Voyager 2, despite their different trajectories. Meanwhile, Voyager itself began facing challenges. In May 2023, Voyager 1 started sending strange and confusing data back to Earth. NASA described the information as incoherent, almost as if the spacecraft had developed electronic confusion. Oddly, the spacecraft itself appeared healthy. Its antenna remained locked on Earth, its scientific instruments continued functioning, and the fault protection systems never activated. Eventually, NASA traced the issue to the spacecraft's Attitude Articulation and Control System, or AACS. The system had accidentally begun using an inactive onboard computer. Engineers sent commands across billions of miles of space to switch Voyager back to the correct computer. Amazingly, the fix worked. Still, the incident highlighted just how extraordinary the Voyager mission truly is. These spacecraft were built using 1970s technology and contain only about 70 kilobytes of memory, less than a modern digital photo. Yet nearly 50 years later, they continue operating in one of the harshest environments imaginable. Powered by decaying plutonium generators, Voyager's energy slowly decreases every year. NASA has been forced to shut down heaters and non-essential systems just to keep the mission alive. Despite temperatures so cold that most spacecraft systems would fail, Voyager continues transmitting data from the edge of interstellar space. Today, Voyager 1 is more than 15 billion miles from Earth. A single radio signal takes over 22 hours to travel one way. As Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 continue their endless journey through interstellar space, they remain humanity's most distant explorers. Nearly half a century after launch, these spacecraft are still sending valuable scientific data back to Earth. The challenges they face are enormous. Outside the Sun's magnetic protection, the Voyagers are constantly bombarded by cosmic radiation and energetic particles. High-energy rays can strike computer memory, causing glitches and errors inside the spacecraft's aging systems. NASA scientists expected some anomalies after so many decades in space. According to project manager Suzanne Dodd, the Voyagers are operating in conditions no spacecraft has ever experienced before. Yet somehow, they continue surviving. The spacecraft's resilience is astonishing considering their outdated technology. Their computers are less powerful than modern digital watches, and they operate with only about 70 kilobytes of memory. Maintaining these probes has become a form of cosmic IT support. Engineers on Earth must send software patches and commands across billions of miles, waiting nearly an entire day just to receive a response. Still, the scientific rewards have been extraordinary. Voyager completely changed our understanding of the outer planets and their moons. Jupiter was revealed as a violent and dynamic world filled with massive storms, volcanic activity, and intense radiation. One of Voyager's most shocking discoveries came from Jupiter's moon Io, where scientists observed active volcanoes erupting across the surface. Before Voyager, no one had ever seen volcanic activity beyond Earth. Voyager also transformed our view of Saturn. Scientists discovered thousands of ring structures and strange braided formations previously thought impossible. At Neptune's moon Triton, Voyager 2 detected nitrogen geysers erupting in temperatures close to absolute zero, proving that even distant frozen worlds can remain geologically active. Perhaps the most exciting discoveries involved the possibility of alien life. Voyager revealed evidence that Jupiter's moon Europa and Saturn's moon Enceladus may contain enormous oceans hidden beneath their icy crusts. These oceans are believed to contain salty liquid water, one of the key ingredients for life. Today, Europa and Enceladus are considered among the most promising places in the solar system to search for extraterrestrial organisms. But Voyager's most emotional moment came in the early 1990s. At the suggestion of astronomer Carl Sagan, Voyager 1 turned its camera back toward Earth for one final photograph before its cameras were shut down forever. From billions of miles away, Earth appeared as a tiny speck suspended in a beam of sunlight, the famous, pale blue dot. That image became one of the most powerful photographs in human history. It reminded humanity just how small and fragile our world truly is within the vast cosmic ocean. Today, Voyager continues traveling farther into interstellar space every second. Its signals are now incredibly faint. NASA relies on the Deep Space Network, a collection of giant radio antennas around the world, to maintain communication with the distant probes. Even with this technology, communicating with Voyager is becoming increasingly difficult as the spacecraft move farther away from Earth each day. Still, their mission continues. The original Voyager project itself was born from a rare opportunity. In the late 1970s, the outer planets aligned in a way that happens only once every 176 years. This alignment allowed a spacecraft to visit multiple planets using gravitational assists. NASA seized the opportunity, creating one of the greatest exploration missions in human history. Now, decades later, Voyager's journey is no longer just about planets. It has become humanity's first step into the galaxy itself. The spacecraft are now exploring regions no human-made object has ever reached before. They are studying the mysterious boundary between our solar system and interstellar space, helping scientists understand how stars interact with the galaxy around them. And perhaps most fascinating of all are the unanswered questions. What are the massive objects Voyager detected deep in space? Why is the heliopause behaving so strangely? And what other unknown phenomena exist in the darkness beyond our solar system? Future missions like NASA's Interstellar Mapping and Acceleration Probe, known as IMAP, may help answer some of these mysteries. But for now, Voyager remains alone in the darkness, carrying humanity's message among the stars. Long after Earth changes and civilizations fade, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 may continue drifting through the Milky Way for millions of years. These silent robotic pioneers represent humanity's curiosity, ambition, and desire to